Hello students, in this week we will do one activity. The topic is seed and its structure. Look here, I have few seeds here. There are, this is rice, this is wheat, this is mustard seed, peanut, chana, and this is rajma, and this one is chiku seed. So first you have to understand how you can identify monocot and dicot seed. This one is monocot seed because I cannot divide this mustard seed into two equal parts. This one is also a monocot seed, this wheat, because I cannot divide this wheat in two parts. This one is rice, and rice is also a monocot seed. Dicot seed is a seed in which we can divide seed into two parts like this. These are two cotyledon. These are two cotyledon, and these two cotyledons are there in a peanut. That's why it is a dicot seed. Now, what activity you have to do? You have to collect few of the seeds at your home. You can take peanut, you can take chana, you can take rajma, you can take peas also. Take one small tray or any of the box, lie some newspaper or tissue paper or some cotton sheet and soak it with water. And keep these seeds in this tray for a day, for few days, and take picture every day. Collect all the pictures for day wise and then compile them, and then notice what is the what kind of change you can observe in these seeds. I just want to show you something. See, this is a peanut. In this is testa. This is the outermost layer or integument of a seed. Sorry, this one is tegmen. टेस्टा होता है जो इसका हार्ड शेल होता है, जो मूंगफली के अंदर बिल्कुल इसका शेल होता है, उसको टेस्टा कहते हैं. ये जो मैंने रिमूव किया है ये इसका टेगमेन है. ओके, दिस इज, दीज आर टू कॉटिलेडॉन. ये टूट गया बीच में से. दीज आर टू कॉटिलेडॉन. ओके, एंड दिस पार्ट, this is the embryo axis which will develop into plumule and radicle. Now this is the another one seed. This is the seed of chiku. This white scar is hilum. This is micropyle from where they will absorb water. Now I will remove testa. I have removed this testa. You can notice this is a very hard shell. It is not easy to break down this shell, and you can soak it in water earlier, so it will be quite easy. This is testa. It was very hard, and in this testa and tegmen is almost fused. जैसे हमने मूंगफली में देखा था, testa and tegmen is different. Testa वो hard shell था बाहर वाला, and this one is tegmen of peanut. While in this chiku, testa and tegmen is fused. बहुत हल्का सा आपको tegmen, ये ब्राउन कलर का लेयर नजर आ रहा होगा. These are two cotyledon. So it is a dicot seed. And you can remove, inside it there is a plumule leaf, and I will try to remove this plumule leaf and try to show you. देखिए, this is leaf. This will develop into plumule later on, this part. Similarly you can remove from this also. So this is the dicot seed. Okay, this is rajma, and in rajma, if you can notice, this is white scar. This one is hilum, and this dark brown is micropyle. If you want to see micropyle, इसको अच्छे से पहले पानी में डिप कर लीजिए, then just press it. तो जहां से देखो ये पानी निकल रहा है, ठीक है, that part is micropyle. Okay, so today's activity is soak all these seeds in water, not in water, little bit with water, and take picture on daily basis, and after 15 days we will observe all these seeds. Thank you.